Hi guys! Today mag-unbox tayo ng isang RxR plastic top box for motorcycle. So I'll tell you the features and why this is good for personal use and cost effective or pasok sa budget. Okay, let's go! So inside the box, yung white colored plastic top box. So yan, this is the itsura, side, back, and then itsura from the top. Okay, included what's inside the box: the plastic bracket or the base plate, plastic base plate, tools niya to install sa bracket mo for the car, for the motorcycle, and 2 keys. And what's nice sa top box na to is lightweight siya kasi plastic, and then maganda to for personal use lang, not for heavy duty, kasi if you want to go with alloy top box, it will cost you 4 to 5k. For this top box, it's really affordable and maganda siya for personal use lang. Also, my leather or leatherette lining na siya, and maganda, kapal, nicely stitched. May 2 pockets here for documents, and rubber gasket here for to seal, to make it waterproof. Okay, so basic lang, just like the common top box. The only major the 2 major advantage sa top box na to is the price and the weight. So it's lighter compared to the alloy top box and cheaper. For this top box, it will only cost less than 3,000 pesos, or around play around 2,600 to 2,900 only for the white color. There's also the black variant, which is cheaper, which I believe will cost only around 1,500 to 1,600 depending on the seller. So I'll show you more on the details of the top box, close-ups, and the quality of the top box. So thanks for watching, and see you again next time. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and see you again.